Pagod ah.
So how's the hike?
Ay. Saan pa kalayo ka, Tre?
1 more mile.
The hike is good. I have no complaint. And it's good for the heart and for the body and mind. Health is wealth. Okay, kaway kayo.
Wala kang chan, oh.
Ay, naririnig ka.
Okay.
Shoo! Oh, ayan. Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Leon's World SL. Andito naman tayo ngayon sa Northern California, and now we are here to explore the Tilden Park. Kaya of course andito ang mga bida natin sa mga guests ko ngayon, Donabelle, Diana, and Katrina. Wow, pretty girls, galing. O yan, ituturo namin kayo dito sa napakagandang park na to, full of greeneries. Wow, Katrina, what can you say about this park? Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, one thing I noticed, ang lalaki ng mga puno nila dito, no?
Yes.
Ayan.
Very green.
Yeah, very green.
Shade,
Yeah.
and
Look at that.
yeah, all around enjoyable.
It's very interesting. Look at, yan, as we move around, makikita nyo dito. Ayan. We're going down. Cherry blossom, but it's colored white.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like a cherry blossom, but it's
Teka.
colored white.
This is us.
It's real forest.
And the green is the
Those
trail.
are a family of pine trees. Ang ganda, ang lalaki ng puno na yan. Well, actually, this Tilden Park Regional Park is composed of 2,079 acres or 841 hectares. It's a regional park on the East Bay part of the San Francisco Bay Area in California. It's between Berkeley Hills and San Pablo Ridge. Wow, ganda dito. Eto, may lake pa dito. Well, eto nga sa tabi natin, ito yung lake dito. Yan. Yeah, a little muddy, pero okay naman. It's a fishing lake actually. Wow, ang ganda dito. The temperature is like 60, are you sure? But it's cold. It's a little windy. Yan. Oh, etong sabi, no biking. Hiking lang dito. Ang laki ng park na to. Kaya actually, itong pinupuntahan namin ay just a portion of this big regional park. Kaya eto, lakad lang kami, hiking. It's good for the body and the sun is good. Very cooperative ang climate ngayon. Here we are, pababa kami. We're heading towards the forest, the jungle. Wow, dun sa mga big trees na nakita namin kanina. Okay dito kasi tuyo, pero pagbasa to, delikado to. Delikado dito. Ang ganda dito ah. Wala. Tingnan itong puno na to. Ang laki ng puno na to. Yeah. I'm not sure what kind of tree it is. But look at the spike. Wow. Look at that. Ang ganda dito. Doon pa may waterfalls. Wow. Ang galing. Ito. Okay. This is it. Aba, may ruins pa dito. Cabin to ah. Wow, ang ganda sana kung okay to, may pahingahan. Anyway, eventually, i-restore nila yan. Eto, katuwaan lang.
Mom, stay in the frame.
Okay, kaway kayo, kaway.
Wala kang chan, oh.
Ay, naririnig ka.
Okay.
Shoo! Oh, ayan. Sa laki ba naman ng Tilden Park? Ito, this is just one place. Ito, merong mga creek. Actually, merong in another place, there's a little farm which has a various livestock. Ayun, andyan yung dinaanan natin, ang Lake Anza. There's a botanic garden somewhere within this park at ang Redwood Valley Railway. Well, mahilig kayo sa hiking. Ganda dito sa mga pinupuntahan namin dito sa Northern California. Ito, nasa tabi ko lang, big trees. Wow. Malamig-lamig. It's about 60s ngayon. 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Yan, ito nga no. Actually, it's on the mountain. Mga nakikita ko greeneries. Ang ganda. Very cool. At ito pa, in addition to major areas of wilderness, the park includes several developed features, including environmental education areas, extensive botanical garden, swimming lake, golf course, model farm, miniature train, merry-go-round, and event venue. Wow! Incredible! Sa laki ba naman ng area na to, no? Kaya pasyal kayo dito. This is a good place to hang out and mag-relax. Wow, tingnan nyo yung mga caves na yun, no? Rock formation. Well, after 2 hours of hike, napagod na.
So how's the hike?
Ay, saan pa kalayo ka, Tre?
1 more mile. Okay, can you tell us about the hike, Jed?
The hike is good. At least there are portions na shaded. I have no complaint. And it's good for the heart and for the body and mind. Health is wealth. Yes, health is wealth. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leon's World SL.